New Holland and John Deere are both well-known manufacturers of agricultural machinery, including tractors. Both brands offer tractors with powerful engines and advanced transmission systems that provide high torque and efficient power delivery. However, John Deere has a wider range of models with higher horsepower and advanced features like GPS guidance and automated steering. The Bagger 288 is the largest machine in the world, and it's even been included in the Guinness Book of Records. This machine can extract hard coal deposits, dig trenches for oil pipelines, and large engineering systems with ease. If standard bulldozers and excavators were used for these purposes, the process would take several months, but the Bagger can complete similar tasks in just a couple of days. The French startup Videbot has developed the Bacchus robot, which is designed for work in vineyards. The versatile and all-electric Bacchus robot can fight weeds and treat and spray vines. It's expected that the machine will perform other tasks in the future. The absence of a cab reduces the center of gravity, which allows you to work on steep slopes. Due to its size and light weight, the robot consumes little energy and reduces soil compaction. Jonathan Tibbett, an engineer, has created something impressive for Earth, a giant mech called Prosthesis by Furion Robotics. This exobionic racing machine is a groundbreaking achievement and the first of its kind in the world. The mech has been designed for use in racing events and is sure to turn heads with its impressive size and speed. Nicknamed Balehawk, the conceptual autonomous bale mover is designed to move bales from where they are dropped on the field to the field's edge or to a storage area. Once an operator has programmed the robot where to work, a suite of sensors, including a Velodyne and a SICK LiDAR sensor with a visual camera in between, helps the robot locate bales in the field. The CAT 6090 is a hydraulic excavator designed for use in mining and quarry operations. This powerful machine is equipped with advanced features that make it ideal for excavating large volumes of rock and earth quickly and efficiently. The hydraulic system is designed to provide precise and controlled movement of the boom and arm, making it easy for operators to navigate the excavator and position it accurately for digging. California-based Krinkloff Farm Services Incorporated has unveiled the world's first self-contained sprayer that can be used in gardens. GUSS, Global Unmanned Spray System, is designed to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of spraying operations by eliminating the need for human operators. The system uses advanced sensors and mapping technology to create a detailed map of the area to be sprayed, and then autonomously navigates through the field, spraying crops with precision and accuracy. OJK auger ditchers are excellent for digging ditches in peat deposits in all conditions. The auger effectively cuts any trees, roots, and stumps in the swamp, while ditches can be laid even in frozen soil. Only one pass is needed to create a continuous ditch with maximum depth. The peat is thrown a considerable distance on each side of the ditch and is evenly distributed over the strip. This machine is designed to remove aquatic weeds and debris from water bodies. The machine is operated by a crew of trained professionals who navigate it through the backwaters, collecting weeds and debris as they go. The collected material is then deposited onto a barge or other vessel for disposal. This This is a specialized grape harvester designed by New Holland Broud for efficient and gentle harvesting of grapes. It's designed to work in vineyards of different terrains and can handle a wide range of grape varieties. The machine's shaking system is equipped with an adjustable frequency that can be customized to match different grape varieties and vineyard conditions. Swagbot is a real shepherding robot. It's designed for monitoring and grazing agricultural animals. It's an electric ground vehicle that can traverse rugged terrain and avoid natural obstacles, such as trees and rocks. The robot is especially useful for remote grazing areas because it can be used in areas that may be dangerous for farmers. The robot can even analyze the health of animals using temperature sensors or movement sensors. In the process of building buildings and structures, it's often necessary to carry out such a service as concrete cutting, with which you can create a variety of holes in concrete structures. To date, diamond cutting of concrete has been recognized as the most technologically advanced and safest. Diamond-coated disc equipment is mainly used, but if this method is ineffective, or concrete cutting is required in hard-to-reach places, concrete rope cutting is used, which will help solve all the problems that have arisen. The Degelman Rock King is a heavy-duty rock picker designed to make clearing rocks from fields an efficient and easy process. This machine is ideal for farmers and contractors looking to save time and money while maximizing productivity. The machine is equipped with a large, high-capacity hopper that can hold a large number of rocks, and it features a hydraulically driven reel that rotates and collects rocks. Big Bud is the biggest tractor in the world. It was designed to tackle the biggest farming jobs, such as plowing vast fields of wheat, corn, or soybeans. Its massive size and power allow it to cover large areas quickly, saving farmers valuable time and resources. In addition to its impressive engine, Big Bud is equipped with oversized tires that allow it to navigate rough terrain and reduce soil compaction, ensuring minimal damage to crops. The specialized harvester, Earth Eater Super II, is used for harvesting tulip bulbs. With its powerful cutting blades and conveyors, the Earth Eater is able to lift and sort bulbs quickly and accurately, while ensuring that they're handled with care. The Apollo Generation 2 Chicken Harvester is a specialized machine designed for the poultry industry. It's designed to efficiently and safely harvest chickens from a farm and prepare them for processing. The chicken harvester is equipped with specialized attachments such as picking fingers, head-cutting blades, and a feather plucking system that work together to harvest chickens quickly and efficiently. The Agzeed robot tractor is an innovative and intelligent machine designed for precision farming. It comes equipped with advanced sensors, GPS technology, and artificial intelligence that enable it to navigate autonomously and perform various farming tasks with high accuracy. It's also equipped with safety features such as obstacle detection and emergency stop that ensure safe operation. The Modi Pumpkin Harvesting Machine is a specialized piece of equipment used for commercial pumpkin harvesting. It's designed to efficiently harvest pumpkins from fields in a quick and automated process. The machine works by driving over the pumpkin plants and using a set of rotating blades to cut the stem from the pumpkin, separating it from the vine. The pumpkins then fall onto the conveyor belt or other collection system and are transported to a storage or processing area. Ropa Urmouse 4 is a self-propelled sugar beet cleaning and loading machine with a new intake system, moving the mouse into transport position, namely folding into a compact transport width of 3 meters and total length of 15 meters, is fully automatic from the cab with just one control, a large wheelbase of 5.5 meters, combined with 2 additional axles with hydraulic suspension, ensures safe handling of a massive loader. The Toll Incorporated Crosshedger is a fast and efficient tree trimming machine designed for use in orchards, vineyards, and other agricultural settings. With its powerful cutting blades and innovative design, this machine is capable of quickly and accurately trimming trees of various sizes and shapes. Its precision cutting blades are designed to provide a clean and accurate cut, while its unique cross-edging feature allows for efficient trimming of both sides of the tree at once.